Hello students, today in this video we will discuss your exercise 4.2 linear equation in two variable, page number 76. You see the question number 1, which one of the following option is true and why? Your equation given, y is equal 3x plus 5 has number 1 a unique solution, number 2 only two solution, number 3 infinitely many solution. Which one of the following is correct? Unique solution means single solution. Here given only two solution. This one infinitely many solution. So it will be, the answer will be y equal 3x plus 5 has infinitely many solutions. Why? Because any value of x, there is a corresponding value of y. If you take x value 0 in this equation, if you take x value 0, then 3 into 0 0, 0 plus 5, you will get y value 5. If you take x value 1, 3 into 1 3, 3 plus 5 8, then you will get y value 8. If you take, for example, x value minus 1, 3 into minus 1 minus 3, so 5 minus 3 is 2, then y value you will get 2. For any value of x, there is a corresponding value of y. So it is not unique solution. Unique solution means single solution. It is not correct option. This one is also not correct option. So correct option is infinitely many solutions. Number 3. Let's see the next one. Number 2. Write 4 solutions for each of the following equation. Number 1. 2x plus y is equal 7. So you have to find 4 solutions. Okay. So here you see 2x plus y equals 7. So y is equal 7. You take this 2x in right hand side and it becomes negative. 7 minus 2x. Now you taking x equals 0. We have y. How much? 7 minus 2, x is 0. So 7 minus 2 into 0. 2 into 0 how much? 0. 7 minus 0 is 7. So one solution we got. X, y. X value taking 0. Y getting how much? 7. Next, taking x is, for example, 1. We have y. Y 7 minus 2 into 1. 7 minus 2, 1 is a 2. 7 minus 2 is 5. When we take x is 1, at that time y value getting how much? 5. Now next we have to find 4, only getting 2. Taking x is, for example, minus 1. X value we will take now minus 1. So y equal 7 minus 2 into x is minus 1. 7 minus into minus plus 2, 1 is 2. 7 plus 2 is 9. When we take x is minus 1, at that time we get y value how much? Y value getting 9. So next taking x is any value you can take. X value you take, for example, minus 3. Y is equal 7 minus 2 into x. X value we take how much? Minus 3. 7 minus into minus plus 2 into 3 is 6. 7 plus 6 how much? 13. When we take x is minus 3, at that time we get y value how much? 13. So what are the four solutions? Four solutions are 0, 7, then 1, 5, then minus 1, 9, then minus 3 and 13. So these are the four solutions. 1, 2, 3, 4. These are the required four solutions. Let's see the next one, number 3. Check which of the following are solution of the equation x minus 2y is equal 4 and which are not. So here given solutions 0, 2, 2, 0, 4, 0, root 2 and 4 root 2, then given 1, 1. These solutions, these are solution of this equation or not. We have to check. So first we take the number 1. You put first given what? X is 0 and y is 2 in x minus 2y is equal 4. In that equation you have to put, this is x coordinate, that one is y coordinate. So x is 0, y is 2, you have to put in this equation. So first you write left hand side x minus 2y, left hand side is x minus 2y, put x is 0 minus 2, y is 2. So 0 minus 2 into 2 is a 4. You will get minus 4, which is right hand side given there 4. It is not equal to right hand side. So this one 0, 0, 2 is not a solution of the equation. This one is not solution of this equation. Now we will check number 2. Number 2 given x given 2, y given 0. So in the left hand side of the equation you put the value x minus 2y. X given how much? 2. Y given 0. 2 minus 2 into 0 is 0. 2 minus 0 is 2. So which is not equal to right hand side. So 2, 0 is not solution of the equation. 2, 0 is also not solution of this equation. Next, you see number 3, x given 4, y given 0. First we write down the left hand side of the equation, x minus 2y. X given 4 minus 2 into y. Y will be given 0. 4 minus 2 into 0 is 0. 4 minus 0 is 4. So right hand side you see, right hand side is 4. So which is equal to right hand side. Therefore 4, 0 40 is a solution of the equation. So in the same way, we try to check number 4 and number 5. Let's see the next question. Question number 4. Find the value of k if x equal to y equal 1 is a solution of the equation 2x plus 3y is equal k. So your equation, you write first. What is your equation? 2x plus 3y is equal k. Let's see. X given 2, y given 1. X equal how much given? 2. So x given how much? 2 plus 3 into y value how much? 1. Now you do multiply. 2 into 2 how much? 4. 3 into 1 3 is equal k. 4 plus 3 is 7 is equal k. So your question is what? Find the value of k. So we get k value how much? 7. Let's see the next one, number 5. If 2k minus 3 k plus 2 is a solution of the equation 2x plus 3y plus 15 is equal 0, then find the value of k. So here given your solution given 2k minus 3 and k plus 2. So what is your equation? First you write down the equation. 2x plus 3y plus 15 is equal 0. So this is your solution. This one is x value. X is given how much? X 2k minus 3. Y given k plus 2. 2. X is how much? 2k minus 3 plus 3. Y is k plus 2 plus 15 is equal 0. Now you do multiply. 2 into 2k 4k minus 2 into 3 is 6 plus 3 into k 3k plus into plus is plus 3 into 2 is a 3 into 2 is how much? 6 plus 15 is equal 0. Now 4k plus 3k how much? 7k. Now you see the digits. It is positive, this one negative. 6 minus 6 will be 0. This 15 you take in right side. If you take this 15 in right side, then it becomes negative. So 7k is how much? Minus 15. Therefore, k, you have to find the value of k. Find the value of k, isn't it? So k you keep it left side. K is equal how much there? 15 by 7. So value of k is minus 15 by 7. Thank you.